A pressure regulator, in form and function, is really just a safety device. I'm Mark, a senior forensic engineer at Nederveld. Today we're looking at pressure regulators to keep you and your system safe. A pressure regulator is a control device that reduces the pressure of a fluid or gas to the proper utilization pressure for use in a system or an appliance. U.S. codes generally limit potable water pressure to 80 psi or less. Irrigation systems are typically operated at 30 psi, and natural gas and propane systems usually have two regulators from the point of use and a second one before they go into the building. Adjusters may encounter this product when a pressure regulator has failed to limit the outlet pressure, resulting in damage to systems and/or components in the system. Both the supply and outlet pressures are portions of a system design that must be considered when choosing an appropriate regulator. Regulators that reduce line pressure from the utility are to be installed in specific locations and with code-required protections, support, and connections. Connections, supports, clearances, pressures, orientation are all important details that matter with regulators. As with all matters involving products, documentation of part numbers, manufacturers, age, and date of installation should be recorded. The condition of the pressure regulator should be well documented with photographs prior to removal for collection into evidence. Additionally, any records of prior maintenance or work performed in proximity to that product should also be documented. Installation-related issues involve lack of support, over-tightening of connections, and lack of protection from environment issues such as snow and ice that can fall on regulators. Debris in the supply is an abuse issue that can be rather complicated to sort out. Age and wear may be issues as they have mechanical internal movements to control the pressure. Flammable gas regulators often have expiration dates, and most will have manufacturing dates on them as well. When we look at regulators in the lab, we're looking at fracture patterns, wear marks, corrosion, discoloration, and evidence of leakage. However, downstream pressure measurements or evidence of overpressure are the most common indicators of a regulator failure. Age, installation date, use patterns, and supply pressure background information may be helpful in an evaluation. If the part arrives undocumented or after significant mishandling, we may have insufficient information to determine the cause of failure. So remember, proper documentation and collection of evidence is important. Please feel free to check out our other videos in this series.